Ever feel like no matter how much you earn, you're still broke? You get paid, but by the end of the month, there's nothing left. Rent, food, subscriptions, fun nights out. Where does it all go? If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. But here's the hard truth. If you don't learn to save now, your future self will struggle. So, if you're serious about saving money and taking control of your finances, this video is for you. Let's break the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start saving smart. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll give you the most powerful money-saving hack that most people don't know about. Most people don't think about saving until it's too late. Think about this. What if your car breaks down tomorrow? What if you lose your job next month? Life is unpredictable, and having savings gives you security and freedom. But saving isn't just about emergencies. It's about choices. Want to travel? Buy your first home? Start a business? Saving is what makes all of that possible. And here's a fact. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Thanks to compound interest, saving just $5 a day in your 20s can make you a millionaire by retirement. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. The problem is, no one teaches us how to save properly. So, let's change that today. Before you can start saving, you need to know where your money is going. Let's talk about the biggest money traps that are stealing your future wealth. 1. Eating out too much. Grabbing coffee every morning, ordering Uber Eats, it adds up. The average American spends over $3,000 a year eating out. Imagine how much you could save just by cooking at home. 2. Subscriptions you don't need. Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, gym memberships. How many do you actually use? Most people are wasting money on subscriptions they forget about. Check your bank statement right now and cancel the ones you don't need. 3. Buying the latest gadgets. iPhones, laptops, smartwatches. Every year, companies make you feel like you need the latest model. But do you? If your phone still works, upgrading isn't an investment. It's an unnecessary expense. 4. Impulse shopping. Ever bought something just because it was on sale? That's how they get you. If you didn't plan to buy it, you didn't save money, you wasted it. 5. Credit card debt. Credit cards can be useful, but if you're only making minimum payments, you're throwing money away in interest. The average American has over $6,000 in credit card debt. Pay off your balance each month and avoid the trap. Now that you know where your money is going, let's talk about how to actually keep more of it. 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay rent, before you buy anything, save first. Automate it. Set up your bank account to transfer a percentage of your paycheck into savings the moment you get paid. This is the most important rule of saving. 2. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Want an easy budget? Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities, rent, food, bills. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, travel. 20% for savings and investments. Stick to this, and you'll always be ahead. 3. Use the 24-hour rule for spending. Before you buy something, wait 24 hours. If you still want it, then consider it. Most of the time, you won't. 4. Cook at home and meal prep. Instead of spending $15 on lunch every day, meal prep for the week. You'll save hundreds of dollars every month. 5. Cut useless expenses. Audit your spending. Look at your bank statements and find 3 things you can cut today. Even small changes add up. Saving money is great, but if it just sits in a regular account, you're losing money to inflation. Here's how to make your savings grow. 1. Use a high-yield savings account. Instead of using a regular savings account with low interest, use a high-yield savings account. Your money will grow faster. 2. Invest in index funds. Want to build long-term wealth? Start investing. Index funds like the S&P 500 have historically given 7 to 10% returns per year. The earlier you start, the better. 3. Use cashback apps and discounts. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Ibotta give you money back on purchases. Also, never buy anything without searching for a coupon first. Now that you have the knowledge, let's put it into action. I challenge you to save $1,000 in the next 30 days. Here's how. Week 1. Cut all unnecessary spending. No eating out, no impulse shopping. Week 2. Sell 5 things you don't use. Old clothes, gadgets, furniture. Week 3. Pick up a side hustle, freelancing, delivery gigs, selling digital products. Week 4. Use only cash for purchases and save all extra change. Follow these steps and you'll be shocked at how much you can save. Saving money isn't about being cheap. It's about having control over your life. The sooner you start, the more freedom you'll have in the future. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more